Very good day to everybody. This presentation is created by the Management Office team for Jalamas to understand about share units. Maintenance fees has to be paid by every owner to the management. And the Strata Management Act 757 regulates the management of the buildings in Malaysia, and all buildings need to comply to this act. Currently, Jalamas has a square feet based maintenance fee setup. According to the Strata Act, we need to go to share unit-based maintenance fee setup. In this act is spelled out in clearly that the amount of the charges have to be paid under subsection 1 and 2, and they need to be determined by the joint management body from time to time in proportion to the allocated share units of each parcel. Currently, the Jalamas is having a square feet maintenance fee set up. That means that there are 1050 units. Each unit pays 140 ringgit 80 cents, and the total billing therefore is 147,840. As mentioned, the square feet setup has to be changed to the share unit setup. So let's have a look. What does share units mean? Share units are numbers assigned to each parcel by the developer's licensed land surveyor. So this is a person that determined how many share units your unit has. The old setup based on square feet will go to share units. So now let's have a look. What are the unit types that are being defined by the land surveyor? There's type A, which is a unit plus one car park and an aircon space. Type B is a unit plus one bigger car park and an aircon space. Type C is a unit plus two car parks and an aircon space. And type D is a unit plus one normal and one bigger car park plus an aircon space. These different type of units have different type of share units. So type A has 82 share units, and there are 923 units in Jalamas with this type of share units. There is type B, which have 83 share units. There are 5 units of type B in Jalamas. Type C have 88 share units, and there are 121 types C in Jalamas. Type D, there's only one unit that has 89 share units. The total amount of units is 1050, and the total share units we have in Jalamas is 86,838. So the calculation of share units is based on the maintenance fee on share units. How to calculate that? The maintenance fee to pay per unit is the share units of the unit times the share unit cost ratio. How to calculate the share unit cost ratio? First, we need to have the total monthly payments to collect in Jalamas, which is 140,840, and we divide that by the total share units in Jalamas, which is 86,838. When we divide these two parameters, we will get a cost ratio of 1.7. This cost ratio will be used to calculate your maintenance fee. How does that work? Type A times the cost ratio of 1.7 will come to a maintenance fee amount of 139 ringgit and 60 cents. Subsequently, for type B, C, and D, there will be different maintenance fee amounts because there are different share units per different type of unit. So the new maintenance fees you will see here is based on the share unit per unit times the cost ratio. So now the old and new payment setup are different because when we look at the square feet setup, type A pays 140 ringgit and 80 cents, but type B pay the same, and type C pay the same, and type D pay the same amount. According to the Strata Act, this is not a good thing because different units have different benefits, and share unit calculation is a must. We see therefore that based on share units, the calculation is much more fair to the owners and to the management, and you see different maintenance fee amounts coming up for the different unit types. So in conclusion, we mentioned that Jalamas must comply with the law and change from square feet to share unit maintenance fees. The change to share unit setup means that the different unit types pay different maintenance fees. Thank you very much for paying attention for this presentation. Have a great day and take care.